Very good evening to everyone. Hi, I'm Muskan Tebre, and today I'm back with another session, which is going to be on MCQ, and it is very important for the upcoming examination. We are going to have another 2 to 3 minutes so that rest of the people can join us. And till that time, you guys can have a quick revise of the subjects. A very good evening to everyone. We got around 23 participants. Sorry, now we got around 51 participants. That's a huge number. Very good evening, Anjali ji. Very good evening, Shishikant ji. Very good evening, Chandrabhan ji. Very good evening, Ramlakhan ji. Good evening, Pradeep ji. Thank you so much for greeting me. It was pleasant speaking to you guys. And it was quite a long that we have not met. I really missed you guys all. Yeah. So let's wait another 2 minutes so that rest of the people can join us and we can start the session. So today the session is going to be on current banking affairs, and it is going to be for the month of August and September 2024. शशिकांत जी बोल रहे हैं मैम फॉरेन गई थी। नहीं सर, मैं फॉरेन नहीं गई थी। एक्चुअली मैं अपने होम टाउन गई थी फ्रॉम वेयर आई बिलोंग, एंड आई रियली enjoyed द टाइम. आई हैड अ क्विक वेकेशन this time, and it was very enjoyable. Thank you so much. Let us start with the session. So today again we are going to have a very beautiful and very energetic session on current banking affairs for the month of August and September 2024, which is very crucial for the upcoming examination. We are going to have a lot of questions, and the rule is simple, that I'm going to read out the question loud. I'm going to provide you with all the answers, and then we are going to have 10 seconds time, right? In that 10 seconds time, you are supposed to let me know in the chat box that according to you, which answer is the correct one, and then we are going to have a look around it. And by any chance, if there would be any confusion or any query, we are going to have a discussion around that question. Yeah. So I think all of you guys are ready, and let's start with the question number 1 tonight. Which company has been appointed by LIC for its next gen digital platform in September? A. TCS, B. Wipro, C. Infosys, D. Tech Mahindra. And 10 seconds timeline has been started. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. Deepak ji is saying that C is the right answer. I want all of you to participate and provide me with the answer. Ratan Yadav ji is saying D is the right answer. I want more answers. Shashikant ji, I need your answer as well. I need all of you guys to make sure that you are, no worries. You can give me random answer. I am any which way is going to check whether it is right or not. But at least I want all of you to guess this answer. Let me provide you another 5 seconds to guess question number 1. Cool. So let's see what's the answer number 1, which says, the question says, which company has been appointed by LIC for its next gen digital platform in the month of September? Options are TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Tech Mahindra. So the current affairs says the right answer is Infosys. So LIC appointed Infosys for its next gen digital platform, which they are going to launch. And this agreement happened in the month of September. So I request you, all of you, to please make a note of it. Let's move question number 22. And question number 2 says, what is the total amount that bank and financial institutions plan to invest in renewable energy by 2030? This is a very interesting question. In current affairs, this is, rolling out crazy. So A, rupees 25 trillion, B, rupees 30 trillion, C, 32.5 trillion, D, rupees 35 trillion. So what's the budget, total amount, total budget the bank financial institution is planning to invest in renewable energy by the year 2030? Timeline for 10 seconds has been started. I want all of you to participants and let me know the right answer in the chat box. Okay, Mr. Mahesh, Arunji, Shashikanji is very sure about B. Let's see whether B is the right answer or not. C is the right answer, which says 32.5 trillion is the budget the bank and financial institutions are planning to invest in the renewable energy by 2030. So I think Mr. Sindhu Kushwaha was someone who has given the right answer, and I want all of you to please make a note of it. Shashikanji, Priyaji, Arunji, Maheshi, please make a note of it. Question number 3 says, which bank has launched the feature Rich Paisa Save Cashback Credit Card? A. HDFC Bank, B. Yes Bank, C. Axis Bank, D. IndusInd Bank. 10 seconds timeline has been started and let me know the right answer in the chat box. Okay, I got a mixed reaction between A and C. Let's see whether A is the right answer or C is the right answer. Majority as of now goes to A. Let's see whether A is the right answer for question number 3 tonight. Oh, unfortunately, B is the right answer. Yes, Ravendraji, you were sure. To whomsoever have thought A is the right answer, which is HDFC Bank, I want you all to please make a note because Yes Bank has launched a feature-rich Pesa Save cashback credit card recently in the month of August and September. Yeah, good attempt, guys. Good attempt. I'm loving it. Let's move to the question number 4 tonight, which says, what is the new limit for UPI transaction that users can now send for a single transaction? A, 2 lakh, B, 3 lakh, C, 4 lakh, D, 5 lakh. 10 seconds timeline has been started. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. I'm waiting. I want all of you, all 65 people to drop me the answer. Any answer could be acceptable. Either it is going to right or not. But I want all of you to participate. Cool. Till now, it looks that majority goes to D, but there are few people who thinks that A is also right. A is also the right answer. Let's have a look whether D is the right answer or A is the right answer. Absolutely right. D is the right answer. So all of you who clicked on D, which is 5 lakh, you guys are absolutely right. A, 2 lakh is incorrect question. Incorrect answer. The new limit for UPI transaction based on August and September update now can send a single transaction up to rupees 5 lakh. Question number 5 says, which bank became the first major bank to join the partnership of carbon accounting financials? PCAF. A. HDFC Bank, B. Union Bank of India, C. Axis Bank, D. Bank of India. 10 seconds timeline has been started. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. I want all of you to participate as much as you can. If you want me to increase the timing, which is 10 seconds, if you want me to extend it to 15 seconds or 20 seconds, please let me know. But I want all of you to participate as much as possible. Cool. So let's have a look. What's the right answer for question tonight? Union Bank of India. The Union Bank of India is the first major bank who joined the partnership for carbon accounting financials, PCAF. Question number 6. What question number 6 says? What is the new limit for UPI payments for tax filing as set by RBI? A, rupees 1 lakh per day. B, rupees 2 lakh per day. C, rupees 5 lakh per day. D, rupees 10 lakh per day. 10 seconds timeline has been started. I want you all to drop the right answer in my chat box. Priya ji thinks that C is the right answer. Rohit ji, Shishikant ji, majority goes to C. As of now, it seems good that majority of us are going to the only answer, which is C. Let's see. Yes. So absolutely right. Rupees 5 lakh per day is the UPI payment for tax filing as said by RBI currently. Question number 7 says, in which categories have the Reserve Bank in? So here in Pune, it's raining badly. Yeah. So we were on question number 7. In which categories has the Reserve Bank enhanced the limit of UPI payments over time? A, groceries, entertainments, and dining. B, capital market, IPO, subscription, loan, collections, insurance, medical, and educational services. C, online gaming and shopping. D, travel accommodation and luxury goods. 10 seconds timeline has been started. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. Okay, it looks that you guys are very confident about answer B. Let's see whether B is the right answer or not. Absolutely right. So the categories which is mentioned below in the B answer, Reserve Bank has enhanced the limit of UPI payments over the time is basically capital markets, IPO subscriptions, loan collection, insurance, medical and educational services. Moving towards question number 8 tonight, which says the revised RBI norms for NPA provisioning apply to which types of bank? A, urban cooperative bank. B, state cooperative bank. C, central cooperative bank. D, all of the above. 10 सेकेंड्स का टाइम शुरू हो गया है. अपना उत्तर दर्ज कीजिए चैट बॉक्स में और मुझे बताइए कि सही उत्तर प्रश्न नंबर 8 का क्या है. लगता है मेजॉरिटी अभी डी पे जाती है. डी को लॉक करते हैं और देखते हैं कि डी सही उत्तर है या नहीं. You guys are absolutely amazing. So the revised RBI norms for NPA provisioning apply to all the bank which is mentioned here, which is urban cooperative, state cooperative, and central cooperative bank. Question number 9 says, as per the RBI's new guidelines, how will bad and doubtful debt reserve BDDR be treated for capital purposes after adjustments? A, considered as tier 1 capital. B, deducted from regulatory capital. C, excluded from tier 2 capital. D, allocated to provisioning only. The timeline for 10 seconds has been started. I want you to all to participate and let me know the right answer in the chat box. Majority till now goes to D. And if you require another 5 seconds, I'm good to wait another 5 seconds for all of you to participate and provide me with the answers. Let's lock D as the right answer. And the right answer for question number 9 is considered as tier 1 capital. As per the RBI's new guidelines, how will the bad doubtful debt reserve be treated for capital purpose after adjustment, as it is going to be considered as tier 1 capital? No worries. It's very recent current affairs. So sometime it happens that you are not very up to the up to the mark on such current affairs. I'm glad that you guys are here and we will be able to have a look on the current affairs. Question number 10 says, which two banks were fined by RBI for non-compliance? A, Axis Bank and HDFC Bank. B, RBL Bank and Union Bank. C, Godrej Housing and Hudco. D, Infosys and LIC. This is the recent case happened. I hope that all of you guys would be aware about this, that two banks were fined by RBI for the non-compliance. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. Few people do not have the idea. Few people goes to A. एंड इफ ओके, राविंद्र जी सेज दैट ए को लॉक करना चाहिए हमें, अरुण जी, शशिकांत जी भी बोलते हैं कि ए की तरफ जाना चाहिए। देखते हैं कि ए सही उत्तर है या नहीं, और आप सभी बिल्कुल सही है। एक्सिस बैंक और एचडीएफसी बैंक को फाइन किया गया था आरबीआई के थ्रू बाय बिकॉज ऑफ द नॉन कंप्लायंस। Question number 11 says, which bank launched Amrit Vrishti term deposit scheme recently? A. Union Bank, B. State Bank of India, C. State Bank of India, D. Central Bank of India. 10 seconds timeline has been started. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. Till now, it is becoming dominant between B and D. In the count of 3, 2, 1, we'll get to know the right answer for question number 11 tonight. Let's see whether B is the right answer or not. B is absolutely right answer. You guys are doing absolutely amazing. State Bank of India is the bank who recently launched Amrit Rashti Term Deposit Scheme. Question number 12 says, what is the interest rate offered by SBI on the new launched Amrit Rishti term deposit scheme? A. 7.10%, B. 7.25%, C. 7.50%, D. 7%. Timeline for 10 seconds has been started. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. Cool. As of now, it looks that majority goes to B, which is 7.25%. And our time has been completed. Let's see whether B is the right answer or not. B is absolutely right answer. So Amrit Vrishti, which is launched by SBI, which is a term deposit scheme, has the interest rate of 7.25% on the same. Question number 13 says, which green finance initiative was launched by SIDBI in August 2024? A. Green Technology Fund, B. Renewable Energy Development Scheme, C. Green Financing Fund, D. Eco Smart Loans. 10 seconds time has been started. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. It looks that our time has been completed and we got a mixed reaction between D, B, A. And it looks that we are quite confused for question number 13. Let's see whether A is the right answer, B is the right answer, D is the right answer. So C is the right answer, which is Green Financing Fund. So this is the initiative which was launched in SIDBI in 2024. Question number 14 says, what service has HDFC Bank launched specifically for India's gig workforce? A. Giga, B. Pesa Save, C. Gig Bank, D. Flexi Bank. 10 seconds timeline has been started. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. Okay. We got a mixed reaction between D and G, and it looks that few people think that C is also the right answer. So we got a bit confused. We got some confusion over here. Let's see question number 14's answer, which says Giga. So HDFC Bank launched specifically Giga services for India's gig workforce. Question number 15 says, what is the primary focus of HDFC Bank's Giga service? A. Small business loans. B. Financial service for gig workers. C. Home loans. D. Digital banking solution. 10 seconds timeline has been started. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. We got 66 participants, 65 participants, and I want all of you to get indulged in the quiz and let's make it more interesting. Thank you so much, Priyaji. You says B is the right answer. We got majority as B. Let's see whether B is the right answer or not. And B is absolutely right answer. The primary focus or the agenda to build HDFC Bank Giga service is for financial services for the gig workers of India. Question number 16 says SIDBI is planning to build a fund of how much for green financing? A, $500 million, B, $715 million, C, $1 billion, D, $1.5 billion. The timeline has been started. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. Okay, we got C as the right answer, D, A. Okay, it looks that we got a confusion over here in question number 16. Let's have a reveal of question number 16. That's 1 billion. So please mark a note, all of you, if you require, please take a screenshot of this so that you can remember this amount. So SIDBI is planning to build a fund of green financing, which is around $1 billion. Question number 17 tonight says, what is the name of the security feature launched by PNB to enhance internet and mobile banking security? A, Secure Pay, B, Safety Ring, C, Cyber Shield, D, SafeNet. The timeline has been started for 10 seconds. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. Okay, it looks is the majority. Ravindraji saying D is the right answer. Few people said B is also the right answer. Let's see that which one is the right answer for question number 17 so that we can assure that this is the new security feature which was launched by PNB. So that's safety ring. So there were very few answers as D, which is safety ring. I appreciate all of you who has given the right answer and to whom all you didn't give the right answer. I want you to please make a note of it. Yeah. So the recent security feature which was launched by PNB to enhance the internet and mobile banking security is safety ring. Question number 18 tonight says RBI imposed a monetary penalty of 1.32 crore on which bank? A, Punjab National Bank, B, State Bank of India, C, ICICI Bank, D, HDFC Bank. 10 seconds timeline has been started. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. D, HDFC, majority goes to D, but there are few people who think that PNB also is the right answer, and few people think that B, State Bank of India, is also the right answer. Let's have a look whether A, D, B is the right answer. So A is the right answer. So RBI recently imposed a monetary penalty of 1.32 crore on Punjab National Bank. I request you all to please make a note of it. Question number 19 says, which RBI report provides an overview of the financial stability of the country? A, Financial Inclusion Report, B, Financial Stability Report, C, Monetary Policy Report, D, Annual Report. The timeline for 10 seconds has been started. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. Okay, we got B as the right answer. Currently in the count of 3, 2, 1, we'll get to know the right answer. Deepak ji is saying C is the right answer. Let's have a look whether B is the right answer or C is the right answer. So time for revealing of answer number 19, and B is the right answer, Financial Stability Report. So this is the report which is provided by RBI for an overview of financial stability of the country. SBI's MSME's Sahaj is designed as quick online loan solution with processing time of how many minutes? A, 10 minutes, B, 15 minutes, C, 20 minutes and D, 30 minutes. 10 सेकेंड्स का टाइम मैंने शुरू कर दिया है. बताइए चैट बॉक्स में कि आपके अकॉर्डिंग सही आंसर क्या है. कितने मिनट्स में जो एमएसएमई लोन है सहज के अकॉर्ड सहज जो कि एसबीआई के थ्रू लॉन्च किया गया है वो कितने मिनट में MSME को लोन दे देता है. Okay, amazing, amazing, absolutely amazing. That majority goes to B. Ritesh ji is saying that C is the right answer. Only one people thinks that C is the right answer. Let's have a look. B is absolutely right answer, and I request you Sir, Mr. Ritesh Kumar Singh ji, to please mark a note because 15 minutes is the right answer. SBI MSME Sehaj is designed to provide a quick online loan solution which provides loan in just 15 minutes. Let's move towards question number 21 tonight, which says, what is the main objective of the Vivad Se Vishwas scheme 2024? A. To increase tax rates for high income individuals. B. To enable taxpayers to resolve pending appeals, rights, and petitions. C. To implement new taxation policies. D. To introduce new tax slabs. The timeline for 10 seconds has been started. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. And I want all of you to make sure that you are involved and indulge into the quiz. It will only increase the IQ or the current affairs understanding. Cool. So it looks that B, a majority goes to B, but yeah, as of a majority goes to B. Let's see whether B is the right answer or not. B is absolutely right answer, which means Vivad Se Vishwas Scheme 2024's main objective was to enable taxpayers to resolve the pending appeals, rights, and petitions. Question number 22 says, when will the Vivad Se Vishwas Scheme 2024 commence operations? A. July 2024. B. October 1st, 2024. C. January 1st, 2025. D. December 31st, 2024. 10 seconds time has been started. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. Okay. Till now, Sunil ji and Deepak ji thinks that C is the right answer. Nitish ji and Arun ji goes to B. Amit ji goes to C. Let's have a view that which one is the right answer. So B is the right answer, which means that Vivad Se Vishwas scheme was commenced operations from October 1st, 2024. Question number 23 for the evening. SEBI launched an AI chatbot named as Seva. For what purpose? A. Stock trading assistant. B. Investor grievance redresser. C. Financial planning. D. Mutual fund advisory. The timeline has been started. Let me know the right answer as quick as possible. Cool. Till now, majority goes to B. Have a look. Let's have a look whether B is the right answer or not. B is absolutely right answer. So SEBI has launched an AI chatbot which is named as Seva, and the purpose for this is to redress the grievances of the investor. Absolutely amazing. Question number 24 says, which bank has raised 7,500 crores through 81 and Tier 2 bonds? A. Bank of Baroda. B. Punjab National Bank. C. State Bank of India. Or D. Canara Bank. 10 seconds timeline has been started. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. Okay, Shashikant ji, Rajaram ji, Sunil ji, Yogesh ji, majority goes to A. Let's see whether A is the right answer. Munish Baghel ji is also saying that A is the right answer. Let's have a look whether Bank of Baroda has recently raised 7,500 crore through 81 and Tier 2 bond. That's absolutely right. Bank of Baroda has recently raised 7,500 crores. Question number 25 says, in which category has the Financial Action Task Force, FATF, placed India? A. To enhance the follow-ups. B. To grey list. C. Blacklist. D. Regular follow-ups. The timeline has been started for 10 seconds. Which category has the Financial Action Task Force placed in India? Let me know the right answer in the chat box. We got 3, 2, and 1 seconds to reveal the answer. And as of now, it looks that majority goes between A and B. Let's have a look whether A is the right answer or B. Ah, D is the right answer. Regular follow-ups. So the category for the Financial Action Task Force placed in India is for the regular follow-ups. Next question says, what action did the RBI take regarding IIFL finance in September? A. Banned all loans operation. B. Permitted offering a gold loan. C. Increased the loan to value ratio. D. Issued a fine for violation. The timeline has been started for 10 seconds. Let me know the right answer in the chat box. Okay, our time has been completed. If you require some more time, please let me know. In the count of three, two, one, I am going to reveal the answer for this particular question. And B is the right answer, which means the action which was taken by RBI to take regarding IIFL finance in September was to permit offering of gold loans. Amazing. Next question says, what restriction did IIFL Finance implement after the RBI's directive regarding cash disbursement? A. Allowed unlimited cash disbursement. B. Prohibited cash disbursement over 20,000. C. Required cash disbursement for all loans. D. Eliminated cash disbursement altogether. हमारे पास 10 सेकंड का समय है. Please let me know the right answer in the chat box. Majority as of now goes to D. And the count of 3, 2, 1 will get to know the right answer of this particular question. And B is the right answer. So the restriction which was made for IIFL finance implementation after the RBI's directive regarding the cash disbursement was prohibited cash disbursement over 20,000 rupees. So for today's evening, all the questions were answered, and I'm very glad that all the participants have joined in. And thank you so much for being so active and vigilant while giving the answers and making sure that the session is very interesting. I thank you all once again. And the final quote for today is, चिंताएं त्याग कर अपने कर्मों पर ध्यान दीजिए, निश्चित ही सफलता का परचम आप ही लहराएंगे. इसी कोट के साथ मैं आप सबसे विदा लेना चाहूंगी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल योर सपोर्टेड. हाँ जी, the recorded session will be available, Ashwini ji, in our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. Very good night. Shivoham.